Hey everybody, it's Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me and Merry Christmas. Yes, I bought this project out to you on Christmas Eve, which is a little bit crazy. Sorry, the day before Christmas Eve. But so I thought I'd just go with something very simple. And it is just a very basic little festive box that holds some chocolate coins inside. Like I said, it's the day before Christmas Eve. I can't imagine anybody's going to be doing any crafting, certainly not anything crazy and involved. So I just went with a simple box, really simple. So to make the base, you need a piece of cardstock that is 7.5 by 7.5 or 19.5 by 19.5 centimetres. And we're going to score all sides at 2.5 inches, which is 6.5 centimetres. And then we are going to fold and burnish those score lines. And I've just noticed my battery is dropping low, so I need to try and be quick. So for this box, because the sides are quite large, I'm going to cut this one like this, and then going to rotate it and cut the next one. And the basic reason behind this is that you then end up with a tab on each side of the card. So actually it reinforces your box, makes it quite sturdy, and therefore you don't have two sides of your box that are full of tabs and thick cardstock and two sides that only have one. So cut it like so, and then we're going to add some panels and cardstock. So take one of these away for the lid. So I have 4 real red that are 2.25 by 2.25 inches, and my DSP is 2 by 2. These are 6 by 6 and 5.5 by 5.5. I'm going to use my seal today just because I want to be a bit quicker. So I'm just going to stick these layers together. I love this paper. Love, love, love it. It'll be sad when it's not Christmas and I can't use it. But then in saying that, we have a lot of exciting new stuff coming. Beautiful new papers and ribbons and embellishments. So exciting. So if you do want one of the new mini spring summer catalogues, and you live in the UK, France, Germany, or the Netherlands, I don't think I've missed a country out, then just let me know. And I will send one out to you. So, those are my sides now, all layered up beautifully. So let's now add adhesive on here. So I'm just gonna use my snail for this one. I probably actually need to run a piece there just so that it actually looks like the box is adhered together and not just randomly held together by faith dust and a little pixie dust. Or should I say faith trust? I'm sure somebody will correct me with that one. I've not watched Peter Pan for a long time. And then you just work your way round, making your box up. Last piece in here. And then I have some lovely chocolate coins to go in there. And then your lid is a piece of cardstock that is 4 by 4, 10.5 by 10.5. And foolishly, I haven't got my card out for my shim. Bear with me just a second while I dump everything. So I've gone with a double cardstock shim. I'm using thick basic white here, so I've got double thick here, and we're going to score it 4 by 4, 10.5 by 10.5. And we're going to score it at 3/4 inch on all 4 sides, which would be 2 centimetres. Okay, and the last one just there. I have such a messy room to tidy up now. Lots of filming today and lots of mess to tidy up. Okay. Cut your corners. You don't need to do this any particular way, just as you would normally. And then the final little, whoops, last one on the top here. There we go, that's that bit done. And then the last bit is our layer, so DSP onto your card, and obviously you will need 5, so 4 for the sides of the boxes and then just 1 left for the lid. And these are a little too heavy to hang on the tree, but there's no reason why you couldn't sit them on a branch maybe. Okay, a bit of adhesive on these little tabbies here, and then all we need to do is stick those together, and then my finishing touch, hopefully it fit. Just be very mindful when you put this on that the tabs inside here don't catch on your DSP. That's why I'm sort of being quite careful in popping this on, and I'm just going to squeeze that just to clear the DSP. There we go. So there's my box, and then I have the gorgeous Real Red sheer ribbon, which I think is very similar to the open weave, so at least I have some similarities. Just trim that off like so, and then just a single glue dot on the back. I think this bow might be just a little too big, but never mind. We'll go with this being the front, I think. And then I'm just going to pop that on there. And there you have it. A little bit big, that bow, but never mind. Very Merry Christmas. That is what this is called. Have a great Christmas. Hope you get lots of crafting goodies, and I hope to see you back after Christmas with some exciting new projects. Thank you for joining me. Have a fabulous Christmas. Happy New Year to you all, and see you all very soon.